What could go wrong will go wrong. Just imagine you're in the middle of an adventure here at Manila Ocean Park. And then, okay mga pamangkin, for our next attraction, Birds of Prey Kingdom. Tara, let's go! Sorry. So nice to go here on weekdays. There are not much competitors in photo shoots whatsoever. So yeah, this is the Birds of Prey Kingdom. It's up to you on how you're gonna look for the birds. Mga pamangkin, we are now here at our next attraction, the Barnyard. So, I tried to show you guys where this is located. It's not exactly inside the premises of the building. So, you have to go outside again where the entrance is. And yeah, you'll see signages naman. So, let's go. It's so heavy. Okay, everyone, here's your sibling. Your father might be looking for it. Kapatid nyo, guys. Oh my gosh, mga pamangkin, it's really hot. Maybe you just cannot see it, but I'm really oily right now. My makeup is gone. Charot. Okay. Just a tip for you guys. I know I said this a while ago already. I guess I think I already said it. Feel free to choose your most comfortable clothes, as long as you know it looks decent. Because when you go to the Birds of Prey Kingdom, to the Birdhouse, and to the Barnyard, there's no aircon. Okay, it only makes sense that there's no aircon. So, yeah, it's really hot. It's around early afternoon, I guess. So, yeah, to our next attraction. I'm really tired already, but there are a lot of attractions pa. And I have to stay on my own schedule because I made my own itinerary for this. Okay, let's get back inside. So beautiful here. Look at the view. My dad, my father, he's a seafarer. So there's a certain link in our computer wherein you could see the real-time actual location of his ship. So yeah, to everyone who can relate to that. Yeah, because it's not like you can call them and ask them where they are. So what part of the sea they are or in which country they are. Alright, let's go. Mga pamangkin, the reality of being a woman, what could go wrong, will go wrong. Just imagine you're in the middle of an adventure here at Manila Ocean Park. And then, here in the Ocean Park, there's a Red Sea inside me flowing. Code red! If you don't get what I mean, I don't care. But yeah, you get the gist of it. So, I'm kinda uncomfortable right now. Good thing I have a piece of sanitary napkin in my bag. And I hope that it could get me through the day until tonight. Ay, nako. Okay, tuloy. Let's continue our journey. Okay. Haggard na, tika nyo. For our next attraction, back of the house. Here at the back of the house, if I'm not mistaken according to my research, this is where you get to see how they maintain the Oceanarium or whatsoever, so things like that. So this is like the backstage of everything. So yeah, let's go. Right, this is actually the top of the shark tank that you saw a while ago at the Oceanarium. So this is the top view. I really don't get any of these. Okay, protein skimmer. Air in, water in from the tap, water return to tap, blah 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 blah. This is not exactly what I am expecting. I thought that I can see the insides of the rooms here, but not exactly. So we're just gonna take a peek from the outside. For our next stop, next attraction, fish spa. So I guess a lot of you guys already have an idea what a fish spa is. So I already saw this in the morning a while ago. There's no one in there, but now it's already afternoon. So there are a lot of people there, but you'll see. Let's find a spot for you because I did plan my pedicure for this. So the photos of my feet would be Instagrammable with the fishes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Can you see? Can you see my pedicure? So nice, diba? It fits the theme. It fits the place. Manila Ocean Park. So, let's do this! Oh my gosh. Ay, kilit niya ako. It's really ticklish. Oh my gosh. I can't take it. It's super ticklish. I can't take it. You know, one thing about Tito Wee, guys, I don't go for foot spa because I can take the sensation of foot spa. But okay, for the vlog, okay, I'll do this for the vlog. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird at first. It's so ticklish. Sobrang hindi ko kaya, sorry. Hindi ako makatagal, nakikiliti ako. Ay, nako. Paano ba to? Paano ko makakapag-picture for Instagram? I cannot take a photo for Instagram. Okay, let's do this, mga pamangkin.
Here fish is bigger, so
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, right now, my feet are submerged in the water. It's really ticklish at first, especially if it's your first time. Yeah, it's actually my first time to try fish spa. But eventually, you'll get used to it. If you just put your mind to it, that you're just gonna endure it for like few seconds, maybe 30 seconds or up to a minute, you'll get used to it. And it's interesting. These fishes, they just keep on biting. They just keep on biting me. I guess I have lots of dead skin. Pamangkin, I am actually 1 hour early than my expected itinerary. So, I am trying to explore the souvenir shop and maybe, who knows, I might find something to buy. Yes. Someone's curious with the vlog. Ayan. So, yeah, let's see.